If Blender is showing the message cannot open file for writing, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permission or file location issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes first, then the more detailed steps so you can save your Blender project properly and get back to work fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender and software fix videos. Let's jump in. The first thing to check is the save location. A lot of the time, Blender is not actually broken at all. The problem is the folder you're trying to save into. If the path is invalid, too long, locked by another app, or protected by Windows, Blender may refuse to write the file. The fastest test is to save the project somewhere simple, like your desktop. In Blender, go to File, then Save As, and choose a brand new file name. If that works, then the issue is likely with the original folder and not the project itself. Next, check whether you have write permissions for the folder. If you are saving into a restricted directory, an external drive, or a system folder, Blender may not have access. On Windows, right-click the folder you want to save into, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Look for your user account and make sure it has full control or at least write permissions. If needed, click Edit and allow the correct access. After that, try saving again in Blender. Another very common cause is that the file is already open or locked by another program. For example, if the file is open in another instance of Blender, synced by cloud storage, or being used by antivirus or backup software, Blender may not be able to write to it. Close Blender completely, make sure no other app is holding the file, and then reopen Blender and try again. Sometimes simply restarting the program is enough to clear the lock. You should also check whether the file path is too long or contains unusual characters. Long folder names, special symbols, or deeply nested directories can cause save errors on some systems. If your project is buried several folders deep, try moving it to a shorter path, like C drive, then a simple folder, then save again. A shorter path is often much more reliable. If the problem still continues, check your disk space. If your drive is full, Blender will not be able to write the file no matter what you do. Open File Explorer, check the available space on the drive you're saving to, and free up some room if needed. Also keep an eye out for drive errors if you're saving to an external drive or USB device. Try saving locally to your desktop first, because that's the easiest way to confirm whether the drive itself is the issue. If none of those steps work, try running Blender as an administrator. Right-click the Blender shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This can help if Windows is blocking access due to permissions. After Blender opens, try File, Save As, and save to a new name again. In many cases, this immediately fixes the error. Here's the simple version of the fix if you want the fastest path. Save to your desktop, use a new file name, close any app pipe that might be using the file, make sure the folder allows write access, and check that your disk is not full. Those 5 steps solve most cases of Blender cannot open file for writing you. And one important note, this is usually not a Blender-specific bug. It's typically an operating system permission problem, a locked file, or a storage issue. So if Blender is failing to save, focus on the folder, the permissions, and the drive, not just the app itself. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.